Good morning. Chapter Trigonometric Function, exercise 3.3 from question number 5. So, question number 5.1 question is find the value of sine 75 degree. So, sine 75 degree is the question. Find its value by using formula, because 75 degree value we don't know. Okay, by using formula we can find. So question is sine 75 degree. Sine 75 degree. Now sine 75 degree we can write 45 plus 30.
45 plus 30.
No, 40 value we cannot take because 40 we don't know. Sin 40, tan 40 we don't know. Which values are we know? Up to class 10 you done. Okay, you take that value. Then we can use the formula, means value. So 45 we know. 45 plus 30. 30
Plus 30.
Yes. 45 plus 30. Then 75. And then use sin A plus B formula. A means 45 and B means 30. Sin A plus B. So we know sin A plus B formula. Sin A.
Yes, sir. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Yes. Use this formula. Equal to sin 45. Sin 45. Sin A cos B cos 30. Plus cos 45 cos A cos
45 sin 30
into sin 30 Okay, now calculate this. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 also 1 by root 2.
So 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2 into sin 30 half. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Because sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay. Now this means root 3 by 2 root 2. Okay. So root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So root 3 is the 2 root 2 is the LCM. So root 3 plus.
So root 3 plus 1.
Yes, by 2 root 2. So equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Okay, it's clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, number 2. Question number 2 is tan 15 degree. 15. Tan 15 degree. Number 2. Tan 15 degree. Okay. So 15 degree we can write 45 minus 30. 15 equal to tan 45 minus 30. That is 15. Tan A minus B formula equal to tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So tan A tan tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay? Then tan 45 is 1
The 1.
minus tan 30 1 by root 3.
The 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Then 1 plus 1 into tan 45 1 into tan 30 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay. So LCM separately both side. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 numerator. Root 3 is the LCM. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. This divided by 1.
Root 3 plus 1 by root 3.
Yes, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay.
Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. The root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1.
Yes, root 3 cancel. So root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I use the rationalized property? Rationalized property use.
So we will multiply both the sides by root 3 minus 1.
Root 3 minus 1. Then it is root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Minus 1 and this is root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. That is square, double. Root 3 minus 1 whole square. Whole square. So use formula A minus B whole square formula. That is root 3 square. That is 3 a square. Minus 2ab minus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by
2.
A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. That is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1
2. So 2.
equal to 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 2 root 3
By 2.
divided by 2. Next, from numerator 2 is common. 2 common. 2 minus root 3. And denominator is 2. It is 2. And this 2 cancel. This one.
2 minus 3.
Yes. So equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay. So this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
2 minus root 3. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write down. Right?
Sir, okay.
Okay. Next question number 6. Prove the following. Number 6. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y equal to sin x plus y. So use the formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So A means pi by 4 minus x and B means pi by 4 minus y. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, that is equal to cos A plus B. So start from left hand side. Number 6. left hand side cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y into sin pi by 4 minus y. Okay, this is the question. So use the formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we know cos A cos B minus sin A sin B means cos A plus B. So this is equal to cos A plus B. A means pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus x plus B means pi by 4 minus y, pi by 4 minus y. Okay, and this is equal to cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 means 2 pi by 4 and 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So pi by 2 and minus x minus y, minus sign common, x plus y. This. Now this formula you know, cos 90 minus theta, complementary angle formula. What is cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 degree minus theta, complementary angle formula, plus 10 you done. Cos 90 minus theta, it is sin theta. Cos 90 minus pi by 2 means 90. So cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. So this equal to sin x plus y. This equal to sin x plus y. Because since we know cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Write down this question, right?
Sir, written. Sir.
And this equal to right hand side. Proved. Sin x plus y is right hand side, so this is equal to right hand side. It is proved. Next, number 7. Left hand side is tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. This is equal to, prove that 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay. So start from left hand side. Left hand side, tan pi by 4 plus x pi by 4 plus x by divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay, this is the question. So simplify this, solve. So use formula tan a plus b, numerator and denominator tan a minus b. Tan formula. So we know tan a plus b means tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. And tan a minus b means tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So equal to, so first numerator tan a plus tan b, tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4, tan a plus tan b, tan x. A means pi by 4, b means x. So tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is numerator. Now denominator tan a minus b formula. So this divided by tan a minus tan b, tan a pi by 4 tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan into tan. 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay. Now simplify this. Put all the values. So tan pi by 4 we know 1, 45. So equal to 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x. Tan pi by 4, tan 45, it is 1. Divided by 1 minus tan x. Tan pi by 4, 1. So 1 minus tan x. This divided by 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x, because tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 plus tan x. Okay. Now first to write numerator part, then reciprocal of denominator part, equal to 1 plus tan x is divided by 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x into reciprocal of denominator part, that is
So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x.
Yes. Now both are same. 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x and 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, that is whole square. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. So this equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x this whole square. Okay. So this is the right hand side. 1 plus tan x, 1 minus tan x whole square. So this is equal to right hand side. This is equal to right hand side. So hence left hand side equal to right hand side, and it is proved. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Written.
Completed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next, see the question number 8. Next. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equal to cot square x. So right hand side is cot square x. Start from left hand side. The left hand side, right? Left hand side. This number is 8. Cos pi plus x cos pi plus x into cos minus x. Cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay, this is left hand side and right hand side is cot square x. So pi means 180 degree. So cos 2 into 90 plus x. Now 2 into 90 plus x. Which quadrant? 2 into 90 plus x. 2 into 90 is second quadrant plus x. Plus something. That means
Third quadrant.
third quadrant. Okay. So third quadrant cos is negative or positive?
So negative.
Negative. That means cos pi plus x means minus cos x. So minus cos x. This into cos minus x means
So minus cos x.
minus cos x or plus cos x. Cos minus theta, cos theta. Sin minus theta, minus sin theta. Okay.
Okay,
Cos
sir.
minus theta, cos theta only. Plus. So cos x.
Yes, sir.
Cos x is divided by sin pi minus x. Pi means 2 into 90 minus x. So second quadrant only. So sin second quadrant is positive. Sin positive.
Yes, sir.
So sin x. 2 into 90. So sin only. Sin x into cos pi by 2 means 90. Cos 90 plus x means 1 into 90 plus x. Okay. So cos changes to sin. 1 into 90 plus x. Sin x. And sin is second quadrant, cos is negative. So this into minus sin x. Second quadrant, cos is negative. 90 plus x is second quadrant. Cos negative, so minus sin. And 1 into 90 plus x, 1 is odd. So cos changes to sin. So minus sin x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
minus cos into cos, cos square x. So minus cos square x. This divided by minus sin into sin, sin square x. Okay, minus minus cancel. Now cos by sin is cot. So equal to cot square x. Cot square x. So right hand side is cot square x. So this is equal to right hand side. This is equal to right hand side. And it is proved. Okay. Next question number 9. So left hand side is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cos 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x. This. After that, within bracket, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Okay, in this bracket. This plus cot 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x. This bracket close. Okay, this is left hand side and right hand side is 1. Prove
Yes,
this
sir.
is equal to 1. Okay. Now see cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. That means 3 into 90 plus x. So 3 is odd number. Cos will be changed sin. So sin x. So this is sin x. Sin x, and which quadrant? 3 into 90 plus x. 3 into 90, third plus x, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. So sin x only, plus sin x. Okay. Then cos 2 pi plus x. 2 pi means 4 into 90. That is fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant plus x means first quadrant. So first quadrant cos is
So positive.
so cos also positive, and 4 is even, 4 into 90.
Yes,
so,
sir.
so cos x. So this is cos x. Okay. Now within bracket cot 3 into 90 minus x. So 3 is odd. Cot changes to tan x. Tan x, and 3 into 90 minus x means third quadrant only. 3 into 90 third quadrant. So third quadrant all side
Positive.
So tan is positive.
Yes, positive only. So tan x, and then cot 2 pi means 4 into 90. 4 into 90 plus x. So 4 into 90 plus x means first quadrant. 4 into 90, 4 plus x.
Positive.
So
First
first
quadrant side will be positive.
and 4 is even, so cot only. So tan x plus cot x. Okay. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now equal to sin x into cos x. Within bracket, simplify this. Tan means sin by cos. Sin x by cos x.
Plus cos x by sin.
Yes. Plus cot means cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. Bracket close. And then LCM. Cos x sin x is the LCM. So equal to sin x.
Sin square x plus cos
So
square
sin
x.
square x plus cos square x by
Yes.
sin x cos x.
Yes. So LCM is sin x cos x. Sin x into cos x. So sin square x plus cos square x. Okay. So this. And we know this is equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1.
1.
So equal
One.
to sin x cos x divided by sin x cos x. Sin x cos x. Okay. So this is equal to 1 because we know since sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. This is also 1. So this is equal to right hand side is also 1. So this is equal to right hand side. Right hand side clear?
Yes.
So left hand side equal to
Yes,
right hand
sir.
side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, it is fruit. Okay, it is clear? All of you understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.